Hi, my loves. How are you all? So, this is a super impromptu video. I'm sitting in my bed, in my jammies, with my glasses. And yeah, I thought I would film this video because I was actually online shopping for a present for my sister. She's another September baby. And I came across the Mytheresa sale because they've got an additional 40% off a lot of their sale items. Like I know in the past it goes, 15 and then 20, but not normally 40. And I saw a lot of good things, so I just wanted to quickly share that with you. And then I also came across a few YSL bags on sale that I wanted to share with you because YSL don't really go on sale. You know how recently I did that video on top 10 YSL bags, and I know you guys love YSL, so of course I had to share that. So I'm just going to flip the screen around and let's just go through the stuff together. As I said, it's a super cash video, but the easiest way is just to let you know about these sales. And you guys have said in the past that you want me just to let you know. So yeah, super cash, super impromptu. This video is not sponsored. I have worked with Mytheresa in the past, but this was just, I saw it online, so I have to tell my fam. So anyway, let me just show you my screen now. Okay, so I'm in the Mytheresa site and this is just my wish list. It's probably the easiest way for me to do this. I want to start off with shoes because there was quite a number of shoes that I thought were pretty good. Okay, you guys know let me just zoom it up a bit more. You guys know I'm a big fan of Jimmy Choo. For those of you that are looking for slingbacks in a decent height, I always think that 85 is a good height. So these ones, or everything here is quoted in USD, just to let you know. So if you've got a smaller size foot, I think this is gorgeous. I actually would have got this myself. I think metallic can totally be a neutral. So yeah, it's already reduced to 507, but then you take 40% off this price. So just bear in mind, whatever you see here, that's 40% off. Oh, by the way, this sale I think finishes 30 or 40 hours. Really sorry, I only saw this. It's a flash sale. Like if you look up here, see, enjoy up to 40% off all sale, 2 days left flash sale. But by the time this video goes live, I think you guys will probably only have, you know, 30 hours or something left. Anyway, stop blabbering, Mel. Okay, where was I up to? So Jimmy Choo. Another Jimmy Choo one that I think is really nice is this one here. I like that it's a little bit different with the mesh detail and it's, a good block heel. Again, that's 30% off that price here. For those of you that do like Jonathan Simkai, I actually own this skirt. I like it because it's actually elastic. So if you were interested in that, I just threw that in. This is a great pair of ankle boots for those of you that like that little bit of, rock stud detail. There are a good amount of sizes left in this as well. And again, that price being reduced another 30%. Or if you prefer something a bit plain, these Giovanni Rossi boots are really light, really simplistic. This one's a little bit more pointed, but I love the brown suede. So this is, you can take an additional 30% off. And then again, 70 centimeters, such a good height. All right, for those of you that want something a bit different, you know how with boots they can look a little bit chunky? I feel like this is a little bit chunky without being too bulbous and too chunky. And I like this kind of little chain detail. So that's reduced 50% and then that price you take another 30% off. And again, can you see the available sizes? Decent sizes. Now, Giovanni Rossi are also known to have really comfortable pumps. I want to get a pair. I used to have a pair that was 105, but I think 85 is a better heel height. For you, all you animal print lovers, they've got a few sizes of this left, so that's also reduced. If you prefer like a more sort of thicker sort of block heel, I think this makes a great sort of work shoe as well. So I wanted to mention that. I'm running through these quite quickly because, it's supposed to be just a quick summary for you. I will leave all the links below. As I said, this is not sponsored. I just saw it because I'm trying to find my sister a pair of shoes. Anyway, So this gives me a bit of Chanel-esque vibes and is exclusive to Mytheresa. And I kind of like that the toe is a different color. It's just a point of difference. And you know, with cream and black, you can actually go with a whole variety of outfits. So that's take another 40% off. Now, this one is really interesting. Like, I know a lot of you guys may not like this. Let's just go in to have a look. So let's see what the model looks like wearing it. So if you look at this, that's kind of cool, right? It's got this detail. Again, I know it's not for everyone, but I just want to show you a few things that are a little bit different. Okay, I'm going to go back into my wish list. Okay, so where were we? And another Jimmy Choo one. I really picked heel heights that were under 100 because, as you know, one thing that I definitely did wrong in the past was buy way too many high heels. So I really like to buy heels that are sort of like 85 millimeters and below. So if you like a little bit of croc print, this is a really nice neutral gray color. So I thought that was quite nice for you guys. I know you're going into fall soon, so that might be a good option. Aquazura shoes I find really comfortable as well, and I quite like these ones with that little bit of mesh detail, just a little bit different to your traditional black pump if you were interested in that. Another super clean Giovento Rossi shoe, like I said, 85. I just really like the simplistic design of this. Now, you guys know I love a bit of shearling, so I like this mix of suede and shearling. I mean, we are going into spring, but for all my Northern Hemisphere fan bam, this could be a good option as well. Really good price point. I haven't really bought anything from this brand before. Don't even really know how to pronounce it. Have you guys heard of this brand before? But I really like the look of that boot, kind of cash. And let's keep going up. Another Giovento Rossi, even lower at 70. I really like this pale blue. Again, another 40% off. Roger Vivier shoes are really cute. This might not be for everyone because it's plexi. Not many sizes left, but if you did like that kind of look, I think they have this in black and red. Balenciaga. Okay, so this one's a little bit more fashion forward, still a really good heel height, but as you can see, the toe is a lot more pointed. That's why it's called, you know, the knife sort of point. So for those of you that like that, okay, let's keep going. Oh, these tan pair of booties, I showed you that in black. So for those of you that like a tan pair, there's that. Oh, I just saw there's only one size left. So if you're 36 and a half, that's 40% off. And this is the feature that I like, you know, on those boots that I showed you. Maybe this is a little bit easier to sort of match. It's still that, you know, T-bar sort of design, good heel height. And I kind of like some of Magna's styles with that little bit of detailing. So that's another 40% off. Okay, this is not something that I would get, but for those of you that like the teensy tiny trend, I saw that Jacquemus had the little petite tiny tinsy peel bag, but that's, you know, 165 and then you can take 30% off. So just thought I would show you. And don't mind this, this is just a couple of things I'm looking at. Oh, if you guys are a size 2, I really like this Rebecca Valance dress. I have a couple of her pieces, so just throw that in there. Another brand that I really like is Love Shack Fancy, so just check that out. That's 40% off that dress as well. And you know me, I love a bit of floral. Okay, a couple of things for the guys. How cool is this LOEWE jacket? You guys know that I really love LOEWE. I like this leather pocket detail and I just like that it's a bit more relaxed and cash. So something for the boys. And you know the whole dad sandal look? I feel like this is much easier to sort of to pull off. So if your partner might like this kind of look, it's still kind of polished, not too chunky, but I don't know. I think it looks all right. So I thought I would show you that. And this is just a really clean, you know, classic brown belt. I'm actually thinking of getting this for hubby, another 30% off that as well. Okay, moving along. Okay, you know how one of my tips was to shop the kids section? For anyone that is pretty petite, I would say you probably would have to be under 165 centimeters tall. This may work for you, but this Burberry jumper, get it in size 14. Okay, can you see that it's really, okay, let me go into it because it might be a bit hard to see. So I think that this is such a good price. So it's 144, you take 30% off. But can you see the bees are quite subtle? It's not that obvious. And I think in a size 14, it can act like a little crop jumper. And so Burberry Kids are a really good one to look at because, this in the adult range would be like 3 times the price. And then quickly going back, I just want to show you a few more of the kids. And this is another one. If you like floral, this is a, tee that I think would look really cute. It still has a size 14. This Moschino one, Miss S actually has it. So, I mean, that doesn't come in 14, but if you're around 155 centimeters tall, this would actually work well. Or, you might want to get it for your daughter, $73 and then 30% off. So I thought that was a really good price. That's the black one in for the Burberry Kids as well, if you prefer black. I thought the polos were really cute. Polo works well, extra large. See how they've got extra large? That equates to like a 14. I think this bear is really cute and again, great price. Or if you just prefer a plain tee. And going on to Emporio Armani, this is just a really classic striped long sleeve tee. Again, take 30% off that price. Interestingly, this Balmain blazer is $635. You know the adult version's like 2000 or something. If you're petite, try the size 14. It might even work out, and then it's another 30% off that price. And then finally, orange is a really hot color, and personally, I love orange, and you can't go wrong with just a basic Polo Ralph jumper, $63. You take 20% off. So that's my little quick Mytheresa roundup for you. I will leave the links below. And what I want to show you from Rue La La. Now, Rue La La, I know a lot of my US family know about this site. They're similar to Gilt, which I did a review on, and they're a legit company. It's more like sort of flash sales, but they do have some YSL on sale. And it's not huge discounts, but whether it's 15 or 20 or 25, it's really good. The ones I do want to highlight is the shopper totes are good at about 15% off, and they've got vertical and the bigger size ones as well. They've got these totes, but the one I wanted to show you that I thought was quite good. Okay, so they've got the Kate. This is a really classic style, and the Nikki, the baby Nikki. So this is really cute, and the Nikki was also a favorite in my top 10 YSL survey. So that's almost 30% off. There's only one left. So I don't know if it's gone by the time this video goes up, but the Becky, it kind of tells you if there's 4 left, but you have to sign up for this website and then you'll be able to purchase this. But I'll link the ones that I think that are more worth it. Like, for example, the Kates I think are really good. Probably don't go for these type of styles or this. I'm not a fan of this either. But yes, this one, the sunset. Okay, how many sunsets are left? 2, 15% off. But still, much cheaper than what it is on the website. So if you already know and you've tried it on, it's worth checking this out. Some of them, just be careful, are final returns. Some of them you can return. But if you already know you love the bag, you've tried it on, great time to save some money. Oh, Nikki here, the baby Nikki. There's 6 left of these. I actually quite like this cream. If you prefer a more low-key one, go the Manhattan. Oh, the Croc sunset. You guys know I just recently got a sunset, so I am a big fan. And they've got the small Lulu and in the black as well. So I'm really hoping these don't go by the time this video goes live. And yeah, they've got some other ones as well, but I'll just link my favorites because I think a lot of these one stock left might be gone, but they do have, Sac de Jour, some of the classics. Oh, I like this Nikki, the Nikki in medium. This is a good one. I reckon this is a good one. And oh no, they've only got one of the toy puffer Lulu left. But anyway, I'll link it below, but I had to share that with you because even Rue La La and, Gilt and some of those Madame Luxe vaults, when they do have these Saint Laurent sales, they go really quick. So I even saw on another website that there are a few more YSL sales, not that many. This is a European website. If I see anything else, I'll link it below. So guys, that is this a really short and sweet video. It's just to let you know some of the sales that I saw that are worth it. But yeah, the Mytheresa one ends in, I think, 24 to 30 hours. So if you liked any of the shoes, it's just a great time to buy because you're saving an additional up to 40% off the sale. So that's it for me for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you really soon in my next one. Bye.